Want to create viral videos with AI but stuck with subscription fees? What if I tell you that you can create unlimited video clips with Google VEO 3 without spending a single penny? 100% free and unlimited generation. Yes, you can. And today, I'm going to share the secret tips with you. So, hit the subscribe button and let's dive in. Google VEO 3 is one of the best AI video generators. You can access it via Gemini, Google Flow, and several other methods. However, every possible way needs a subscription fee until I found this method. Now I can generate unlimited videos, and it's 100% free. Let's do it together from scratch. Okay, open your browser. Now search for BunnyFlow. We have to select the very first search result. Alright, this is BunnyFlow. Now, we have to create an account first. So, click on the Get Started button and then create your account. Please make sure you remember the email and password. We will need it later. Once you are logged in, you will find that the unlimited plan is already activated. It will allow me to create unlimited video generation using Google VEO 3 for 3 days. Okay, now before we generate the video, we need to set some settings. First of all, come to the right side panel and click on the extension button. After coming to this page, download the extension. Once the extension is saved on your device, you have to install it on your browser. So, click on the extension icon from here and then select Manage Extension. This is my Google Chrome extension page. To install the extension, we have to turn on the developer mode. Once the developer mode is activated, just drag and drop the extension file here. The BunnyFlow extension has been installed in my browser. Now, I will close this tab and then come to the extension tab again. Select the BunnyFlow extension and click on it. Now we have to log in. Enter the email and password of the account you just created a few minutes ago. Okay, we are now connected and my free plan is activated. Now come to the BunnyFlow homepage and select the Flow Access feature from the right side panel. Once you are on this page, enter a random prompt here in the prompt box. Then you can set the settings. This is not necessary, so skip it and scroll down. Click on Open in Google Flow. You will be redirected to Google Flow. And here it is. You can see that we are in an Ultra account. That means we can now create unlimited AI videos using Google VEO 3 and create unlimited images using the Nano Banana 2 model. Okay, first of all, create a new project. Once the project is created, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. Before that, I will change the settings. So, click here and then select Video Mode. After that, select between frame and ingredients as per your need. Next, select the aspect ratio and the number of videos you want to generate. After that, the most important thing is the model. This method only works with VEO 3.1 Lite, so select VEO 3.1 Lite lower priority. In the end, select the video duration. Okay, now we have to enter the prompt. I am entering a sample prompt. After entering the prompt, hit the Generate button. Now, we have to wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready.
The future doesn't wait. It arrives.
This is the first result. The video quality is really amazing. And this is the second video clip.
The future doesn't wait. It arrives.
This one is also amazing. Now, let's create another video. This time, I will upload an image of the ingredients. Once the image is uploaded, I will enter the prompt and hit the Generate button. And here it is. The video is ready.
Open happiness. Taste the moment.
This is really amazing. This is my next video.
Open happiness. Taste the moment.
So, now, in this method, you can create unlimited videos using the Google VEO 3.1 model for 3 days. But what after 3 days? It's super simple. Create another account with another email and enjoy more than 3 days of free generation. If you want to generate unlimited free AI videos, please try this method. And if you want to know about more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if this was helpful to you, please like the video. It helps me so much. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.